In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a fake Facebook account without providing your original phone number or email address, therefore without wasting any of your time. Let's jump to the video. So if you want to create an account on Facebook but you do not want to provide your phone number or email address, then what you have to do is to open your internet browser and in the search bar type tempmail, TEMPMAIL. Click on this first link. Now your temporary email address is being created, so wait for a few moments. Once this email address is created, all you have to do is to click on copy. And now using this email address, you need to create an account on Facebook. And when Facebook will ask you to provide the verification code, you need to come back to this website and scroll down. And here in this inbox section, you will receive your OTP code. Once you have received the code, paste it on Facebook and your fake Facebook account without your email address and phone number will be created. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.